So yesterday I was trying to patch the foreign keys to the users group and permission model, but somehow the migration file generated was going to the environment files, which was not intended, right? So for the time being, yesterday I spent some time finding how can we resolve this issue, but I didn't find anything. I used it, all the AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, but they didn't provide me any solution for this. So for the time being, I just remove this. Like, I'm not adding this fields to the user group and permission model. After doing research, when I find that this is how we do add new fields to the third-party apps. So at that moment I will be adding patching this. So for the time being, I do not need this because I want to move ahead in my project, right? So yeah, okay. So I do not need this, and so I am trying to refactor the code. First, we need to do one thing in my main model, right? Yeah, I have this primary audit model, transfer model, and user audit model, right? And I have this base model, right? Okay, so let me move this user audit model to the top. Yeah, now I need to modify the save method of this base model, so that whenever we are saving an object, the created by and updated by is being set. Okay, so I was thinking to create a decorator that I'll use to decorate the save method, because here, see, let me code, and I'll explain why I'm doing like this only. Okay, so managers, and I can go to dispatch model set. Not here. So define what should I name this method? Decorate save method, and this will accept the class, and this should return new save method, and new save method is this. Alright, define new save method, right? Yes, I don't need this here. I can define at the top level only. this should work fine, right? So like if the object like is update. Is created. So like if the object is getting created, then we only need to set the object variety, and if it is not already set, we can set object dot created by, yeah, and yeah. I guess this should work, right? So so this is a method level decorator, and I'm going to create one more method. Define decorate class decorate base model class. So this will return the class, and original same method this, and we need to decorate same. I guess this should work fine, right? And this So this decorator will decorate the save methods. Right, this will work fine. And now we need to test, write the test for our decorate save method, right? So yeah, let's write test. Okay, so I'll be using the user model, user not profile model. Yes, we can use this one. Test save method. Okay, I guess it will not save the, because it is an update query, so this should be none, right? Should be none. Python main.py, but once it was created, I guess no, it was not yet created. Python main.py, test generics slash test let's see, user object has no attribute ID. Yes. So, and if we move this here, if we move this here, right, so this should be also be subject user, right, this should here user object. Okay, this should not be. So yeah, so like here we are just trying to update the profile model, and when we were creating the profile here, the global variable has user ID none, so that's why the created by is none, and here we are updating the profile model, so the updated by should be set to user, as we are setting the user here. Yeah, it is working very fine. Now we need to write test for our managers. Class test custom manager. Right, and to do this. Right, where's the create method sets user field. Okay, so like when we are using the if we use the user do not have, right, but if we use the create the user here again, new user, let's say if we create the new user here, user 2, we are creating the user dot object test user second and 2. So this profile should have the created by cell dot hazard equal cell dot user 2 the profile cell dot user, so dot created by and 1 second now, let me just check my custom manager if I am setting created by updated by is being set on the, so yeah, it is fine, it should work like this only. Test custom manager, yeah, and create हो गया. Then we can use bulk create function. The create user method is calling the profile.objects.create method. So like we are eventually testing the create method of the custom manager. Now we need to check but in that case I need another model to test bulk create and other things. I do have the restaurant model here restaurant model, and admin is the one, it is not null. We have opening hours which get yeah, we can create one restaurant object and then use this. Okay, but I should not create dependency on this, no? So like do I have any other models to use testing here? And I guess here not on query set is not allowed. So like we can test this delete method. Let me write delete method. So should read this, right?